An improved multi-carrier PWM technique for harmonic reduction in cascaded edge-bridge-based solar photovoltaic system. Abstract. In this project we aim to develop an improved multi-carrier pulse width modulation technique for harmonic reduction in a cascaded edge-bridge-based solar photovoltaic system. Here is our website, which you can find the EEE projects and explore various other domains on www.takeoffprojects.com. From EEE simulations to projects spanning diverse fields, our website offers a rich collection to satisfy your curiosity. Whether you're seeking titles or abstracts, our platform provides easy access to the project resources. Embark on a journey of discovery and innovation by visiting our website today and dive into the world of exciting projects and research. Document. In Document we can provide abstract, introduction, literature survey, keywords in different stages based on project. Take note of keywords as chapters, proposed system, result discussion, conclusion, future scope and references. PPT. In PPT we can provide abstract, introduction, literature survey, existing method, disadvantages, proposed method, proposed block diagram, simulation block diagram and results. Advantages, applications, software and hardware requirements, conclusion, future scope and references. Results. In this project, the block diagram justified that a single-source AC side isolated solar multilevel converter designed for solar photovoltaic applications. It highlights the integration of a PV array with two cascaded edge-bridge cells connected to transformer. Primaries, features and advantages. The transformer provides galvanic isolation, ensuring safety and eliminating leakage current issues. Additionally, its leakage inductance acts as a natural filter to improve the harmonic profile. With adjustable transformer winding ratios, the system achieves higher voltage levels and ensures power quality by maintaining grid standards, making it ideal for efficient grid-tied solar systems. Thank you for watching. For more details, contact 9030 333 433.